In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana projects step by step. To get started, log into your Asana account on your desktop. Using a desktop browser makes it easier to see all the options we'll use today. Once you're in, head to the project where collaboration needs to happen. You can find it from your sidebar or your recent projects list. Make sure you're opening the correct project so the right team members get access. At the top of the project, look for the Share button. It's usually near the project name and is your gateway to bringing teammates in. Click it to open the Invite panel. Here, you'll see a field labeled Invite with Email, or Add Members by Name or Email. Start typing your teammates' email addresses or their names if they're already part of your organization in Asana. Take a moment to double-check spelling so invites land in the right inboxes. If your team uses a standard company domain, staying consistent with that format helps avoid bounce backs. Once you've added everyone you want to collaborate with, click Send Invite. Asana will notify them by email or in-app, depending on their settings, and they'll be prompted to join the project. If your team is time-sensitive, it's a good idea to let them know an invite is on the way, so they can accept it quickly. Before you close the Invite panel, consider the optional setting labeled Notify when tasks are added to the project. Turning this on ensures your teammates automatically receive updates whenever a new task appears. It's a simple way to keep everyone aligned and reduce the chance of someone missing a new assignment or dependency. Next, if you need to review or adjust who has access, click Access Settings and then go to Members. This view shows you all current members, including anyone who's been invited but hasn't joined yet. From here, you can remove someone who no longer needs access or resend an invite if it looks like it didn't arrive. This is also a great place to do a quick audit, so only the right people are in the project. Once your teammates accept the invite, they can view, edit, and comment on tasks in the project. Encourage them to leave clear comments on tasks, add context where needed, and keep discussions tied to the work. This helps your project stay organized and keeps conversations accessible for everyone involved. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.